Hey, hi, hello. This is from Group 11 and I'm Sai Harshit Kavori and I'm going to elaborate about the usage of Python. Firstly, we have installed the Python by visiting the python.org and install the Python 3.3, which is the latest version of Python for our operating system. Later on, we started with simple text editors like Sublime Text, Atom, and alternatively, we thought of using an IDE like PyCharm. We worked grouply and began with clarifying basic Python concepts like variables, data types such as integers, floats, strings, and operators, and control flow statements. We practiced coding like simple programming to learn and verified websites like Code Academy, Bleed Code to start our basics and help each other to get good knowledge. We read some documents which is available in online to make us deepen our understanding of difficult modules and libraries. And now I'm going to introduction and start the things like socket programming is Python enables communication between computers over a network. It involves two essential components, that is the server, which waits for incoming communications and the processes them, and at the same time the client, which initiates connection and sends requests to the server. This report discusses a simple implementation of client-server socket programming in Python, along with the behavioral patterns observed during the testing. Now, I'm going to elaborate about the servers. And servers are powerful computers or software's application that provide services or resources to other computers, which is known as clients. Within the network, they can host websites, manage email communications, store files, provides access to the databases, and perform various other tasks essential for network functionality. Servers are designed to handle multiple requests from clients simultaneously, ensuring efficient and reliable network operations. And at the same time, clients is a device or software application that requests services or resources from another devices or server on the network. It typically initiates communication and waits for responses from servers or other clients. For example, include web browsers, email clients, and messaging apps. Now, my teammate Pavani will continue and explain about the servers. Thank you.
Hi, I am Pavani. Now I am going to explain about the server program. First of all, we import the socket module, which provides a low-level networking interface. Then we define a function called server program, which will handle the server-side operations. We retrieve the hostname of the machine using socket.getHostname function and sets the port number to 5000. Now we create a socket object using socket function which binds the socket to the host and port using bind function having arguments host and port, which configures the server to listen for incoming connections using listen function, which allows up to two simultaneous connections, which accepts incoming connections using accept function, which return a new socket object representing the connection and the address of the client. Now we enter a loop to continuously receive data from the client, and then we print it and then prompt the user for the input to send back to the client. Then we finally closes the connection when the loop exists. Now I'm going to explain the client program, which we start with importing the socket module. Then we define a function called client program for client side operations, and we retrieves the host name of the machine and sets the port number to 5000. Then we create a socket object for the client and we connects the client to the server using connect function having arguments host and port. Now we enter a loop to continuously send messages to the server and receive responses until the message bye is sent. Finally, we closes the connection when the loop exists. Now my friend Nagarjuna will continue with the execution.
Yeah, hi, this is Nagarjuna. I will explain the total execution flow from the client to server. We have the two terminals. The first one is server, and the other one is client. So I'm executing. Well, we have the two terminals here. The first one is server and next one is client. I'm executing the first one server. And now I'm executing the client. So from client, you can show, just a minute. Yeah, from client, from server and client, the total connection has been established. You can see here. So now I'm typing the message from the client, that is hello. So you can see in server connection has been established. Server has been taken the message. So when I type, I'm typing one message in server as well. So you can see here. So this connection will continue until the client says bye to the server. So suppose I'm entering here. Suppose I'm clicking bye here. So you can see here in server, the total connection has been terminated, disconnected. We can show in results, connection has been broken when I entered the bye message. This is the total client and server communication, what's happening in execution scenario. So thank you. Chandana will explain the conclusion about the project.
Hi, I'm Chandana. In our project, we established a simple client-server communication system using sockets. The server binds to a specified port, listens for the incoming connection, and interacts the clients by receiving and sending messages. On the client side, connections are made to the server, messages are sent, and responses are received until the termination message bye is entered. This bidirectional communication enables real-time interaction between clients and the server. The code's design allows for scalability as multiple clients can connect simultaneously. So, in this, the implementation facilitating seamless communication between clients and servers. This is our project. Thank you.